Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best rolling machine tubes is probably one of the most underrated tools for any smoker who enjoys a customized experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of rolling machine tubes, exploring what makes a great tube, and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your smoking ritual. Whether you're a seasoned roller or just starting out, this video is your ultimate guide to finding the best tubes on the market. Number 5. Scotte Cigarette Rolling Machine, Black. Introducing the Scotte Cigarette Rolling Machine. This manual device lets you create perfect cigarettes quickly and easily. Enjoy the satisfaction of rolling your own cigarettes anytime. Made with quality metal and ABS, this machine is sturdy and wear-resistant. Simply fill the hopper, insert a tube, and turn the crank. It's that simple. The machine creates cigarettes with an 8mm diameter and adjustable lengths from 80 to 100mm. It's designed to meet your specific needs, providing a perfect smoke every time. Featuring a drawbar design and non-slip pads, this machine ensures stability and comfort. It rolls a cigarette in just seconds, evenly and efficiently. This portable machine comes with cleaning tools and is the perfect gift for any smoker. It's ideal for Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or any special occasion. Each machine is thoroughly checked. If you have any issues, we're here to help. We provide solutions within 24 hours, ensuring your complete satisfaction. What we like. This machine is built with quality metal and ABS materials, ensuring durability and ease of use. It features a drawbar design and non-slip pads for stability. If you are looking for a reliable and user-friendly machine that makes perfect cigarettes quickly, you should consider this one. What people say. The tubes are easy to use. They work perfectly with my cigarette rolling machine. The filter is of good quality. Number 4. ZN King Size Full Flavor Cigarette Tubes, 2-pack. Introducing the ZN King Size Full Flavor Cigarette Tubes. This is a great choice for those who enjoy a smooth, flavorful smoke. It comes in a convenient 2-pack. These tubes are designed to enhance your smoking experience. They provide a rich, full flavor that you'll appreciate. It's perfect for those who prefer a classic taste. Each box contains 250 tubes, ensuring you have plenty on hand. This is a great value for the quality you receive. You can enjoy it for a long time. The ZN King size tubes are easy to fill and use. Simply insert your tobacco and enjoy. It's a simple process that anyone can do. Experience the difference with ZN King Size Full Flavor Cigarette Tubes. They offer a superior smoking experience. Get yours today and enjoy the rich flavor. What we like. These tubes offer a full flavor experience in a convenient king size. They come in a pack of 2, providing a good supply. If you are looking for a classic, full-flavored smoke, this is the choice for you. What people say. Zen tubes are a good brand similar to Tops with 250 per box instead of the regular 200 most companies do. Also quality is like Tops 2 very good quality tube, not too thick or thin, good filters. I have a PowerMate X3 and these 88mm King filters hold up well, fill completely, and smoke smoothly. Clean lines and constructed with quality materials. Description was perfect on these tubes. Number 3. King Long 100mm Filter Cigarette Tube Injector. Introducing the King Long 100mm Injector Machine. This handheld device makes it easy to create your own cigarettes. It's designed specifically for 100mm tubes. This injector is perfect for those who prefer longer cigarettes. It's compatible with standard 100mm filter tubes. You can easily fill them with your preferred tobacco. The handheld design makes it portable and simple to use. It's a convenient way to enjoy your cigarettes. This machine is a great choice for those who want control over their smoking experience. Using this machine is straightforward. Simply insert the tube, add tobacco, and inject. It's a quick and efficient process. Take control of your tobacco with this injector. It allows you to customize your cigarettes. Enjoy a more personalized smoking experience with this device. What we like. This injector machine is designed specifically for 100mm tubes and is handheld for portability. It's easy to use, making it a great option for those who prefer longer cigarettes. If you like the convenience of a handheld injector for longer tubes, this is a great option. What people say. The tubes are easy to use and work perfectly. These tubes are great, they work perfectly every time. They are easy to use and work great. Number 2. 4 Aces RYO 100mm filter tubes, 5 boxes. This set provides a generous supply of 1,000 pre-rolled tubes. It ensures you have plenty on hand for your rolling needs. This will last you a long time. The 100mm length offers extra capacity. This allows for extended rolling sessions. You'll enjoy a more satisfying experience. Each tube features a pre-attached brown filter. This enhances the draw and helps to reduce spillage. It provides a smoother experience. These tubes are compatible with both hand injectors and automatic tube filling machines. This offers you flexible use. You can choose the method that suits you best. With 5 boxes included, this set ensures a long-lasting supply. You won't have to worry about running out anytime soon. It's a convenient choice. What we like. These tubes offer an extended 100mm length for longer sessions and come pre-rolled for convenience. The pre-attached brown filter enhances the draw. If you are looking for a longer smoke with a refined draw, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The tubes are easy to use. They work perfectly with my cigarette rolling machine. The filter is great. Number 1. Zen Menthol King Size Cigarette Tubes, 2-pack. These tubes are designed for a smooth, refreshing smoking experience. This is a 2-pack, with a total of 400 tubes, ensuring you have plenty on hand. Enjoy the perfect size for a satisfying smoke. The king size offers a comfortable feel and allows for a fuller flavor. The menthol infusion provides a cool, invigorating sensation. It enhances the overall smoking experience, making it a refreshing choice. This convenient 2-pack ensures you always have a supply. It's perfect for sharing or keeping extra tubes available. With a total of 400 tubes, you'll have a long-lasting supply. This pack offers great value and convenience for your smoking needs. What we like. These tubes offer a refreshing menthol flavor in a king-size format. They come in a pack of 2, providing a good supply. If you enjoy a cool, mentholated smoke, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. The tubes are easy to use and work perfectly. These tubes are great, they work perfectly every time. The tubes are perfect and work great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.